Boom shakalaka. Boom boom shakalaka. Alright boys. Alright boys. Alright boys. Alright boys. So coming into market open, what do I see? So we're rejecting off this gap. We even created a SMT at the highs with these highs. We did just tap into previous day EQ. However, um by the way we have, you know, by the way we have closed previous day low and this target right here looks clean to me. I am bearish with ES. Like you can see with this high specifically, look, go on the hourly right here. Look, hourly, we have taken this high. This high hasn't been taken. You know, um, previous day low looks clean to him as well. Let me add indicators as well for indicators for this one. Yeah. Previous day looks clean as well. We did tap into the EQ. Let's go on the 5 minute. Nothing much going on. I am kind of concerned about this gap here on the 15 minute. So ideally, we would want this to close lower to then just target lower prices like this one right here, and this one. I mean, it's pretty clean. Yes, it looks pretty clean to me. That is literally my objective. I want to see that get previous day a little bit taken. I mean, we've got all of these lows as well. However, it's a Friday, SMT at the highs. I am looking for continuation to take out at least previous day low. But let's see, man. We may react off this gap here, and bro, things can switch. But I am looking for longs. I meant shorts. However, like on the daily, if you go on a daily, this gap needs to get unfilled. So I mean, it's a very interesting place to be at. You know, we could just see a move up from here. In order for me to look for a move up, I would want the 15 minute to inverse. So then I'll be like, okay, I want to look for higher, like I want to look for entries, but if nothing aligns, then I'm not taking any entry. You know, simple, simple stuff, mate. Simple stuff. And you go back. Okay, still. This is the real shit. Bro, I'll be so honest. This looks very disgusting. I don't know if I'm gonna trade today because we're reacting off this gap here. Also here, um, man, it's very. I would like, in order for me to see to go and take out previous day low, I would need a 15 minute candle, just close below there, in order to be for me to take a trade to here to potentially target previous day low as well. I would need further confirmations because this could perfectly flip and then continue going higher. Because obviously, as we mentioned here, daily's bullish. So I mean, ideally, going against the trend will be a bit crazy, but today would be a valid reason to go against the trend because it's Friday, and usually Fridays likes to retrace at least to like 25 to 50% of the weekly range. So it would make sense, but yeah, would need further confirmations. Boom, 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 boom. All right, market opens in about 2 minutes. Oh, might as well not. But so far, what I'm looking is previous day EQ has been respected. Um, we're more than likely gonna take out this high from ES. It just looks so obvious. It wouldn't make sense for price to go to previous day low. same goes to, to an NQ. It wouldn't make sense for price to go to previous day though. It would make sense to go to take out. I think this is London High. Yeah, but yeah, London High. It would just make more sense. Ideally, it doesn't make sense for price to go low now, but I mean, I could be wrong. We could see a tap of this and then continue going lower, but that's what I'm saying. Pretty interesting. Let's see what market does. All right, I want to see in 30 seconds. I'll be honest. Let me see this real quick. Uh, yeah, we could see a continue going on, but let's go from here, just in case. If I want to take some long shorts. All right, let's see. We're in this 4 hour gap. I mean, bro, it wouldn't make sense to go higher, but given the daily bias, I could be wrong. All right, market opens. What do I see? Instant move up. We got a V-shaped recovery. I mean, mate, it just makes sense to target here, wouldn't it? Uh, let's see. Let's see. Oh, mate, we're just getting some. If we take out this high, I would be a bit concerned. I wouldn't want this. Wow, what is this? This is. If we take that high off, I'll be kind of annoyed. All right, cool. So yes, looks like it wants to take out that high as well. Um, damn. If we take that high, we might even go higher than that and just continue going here. All right, fudge. We just, yeah, crazy. Um, we did take London highs. I'm gonna be very. Let's see how price reacts. If it continues to have a big reaction, perfect. We did create this gap. Um, but I mean, we don't see that there. Let's go on a 4 hour. We did take this out. Could just continue going higher. Yeah, we could just continue going higher. Let's see. I'll need further confirmations, but so far we have just fucking yeah, yeah, just ripping. What the flip? There isn't anything to take. I mean, right now what it shows we have. All right, see, that's interesting. We tapped into previous day EQ, shot up immediately. We got the 4 hour here chilling. We got this daily here, these daily highs. But ideally, we might actually go all the way to 8. Oh, I think Friday will do it because it's a Friday. But let's see how it's going. I want to see the candles, how it forms. It all depends. But I'm looking at this and I'm like, yo, what the heck? I would need like a move down and then a move up. Okay, 3 minute. We have taken that, but I'll need a. I'm not gonna take a trade here because it's just we're taking out an important high, which is London high. If I, we just gotta be patient. Crazy man. Um, there isn't much. I'm just gonna be very patient. Um, 4 hour, as I said, it looks clean. It looks very clean. You could take out all of this rest and liquidity. We did respect this gap. We're respecting this gap. Um, yeah. Let's see how it goes. could this should be going higher. I mean, bro, it's a bit of a sticky one because we got news in about three. So let's see what we do, man. Let's see what we do. I don't think we're not getting any action whatsoever. Um, there isn't much action, and if I take a long over here, then I'm just gambling at this point. What the flip? Imagine just taking this. That would be so gambling, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's see, man. Let's see. 15 minute. We just. That's crazy though. Look how we respect. Look how we tapped into here. We made a very good reaction off of here. Look, instant V-shaped recovery. We're taking out London highs, bro. That is crazy, yo. Um. Um. Bruh, we might as well just NQ1. What is this? What the? Uh, um. Yeah. It looks very crazy. Well, theoretically speaking, if we go over here, we did create a gap. All right. We could create a 15-minute gap. We have to be very careful, yo. We just. I mean, bro, I don't want to take a trade off of that. We want this 5 minute to close and see how it goes. Um, Ideally, bruh. Let's see, bro. I'm gonna come back for a bit. Give me a sec. All right, we're back again. Let's see how this goes. We did create an SMT here, but who fucking cares? This isn't gonna hold, bro. Like, let's be realistic, yo. You think this is gonna hold? Like, why would that hold? It wouldn't make any fucking. Sorry for the language again, but it just wouldn't make any sense whatsoever. I mean, the 15 minute still. We're still. I like deep this. We're still in a 4 hour gap, but it just it would make sense for price to go high. We fill this gap. It looks like we're respecting it. Why on earth would we do that? Why on earth would we? All right, let's see. Um, 5 minute. Okay, let's see. 5 minute. Uh, 5 minute. Looks like we're going down. All right. Wait, wait. I mean, bro, I ain't gonna trip, but if I see proper. I mean, bro, we got all of these lows here stacked up. We did take out London highs. We did. We, I. But let's just be honest. Why would price want to go back all the way to previous day low, where we got this objective over here that needs to be taken? I'm still in this gap over here. 15 minute. We did take out this high. I mean, Like, that looks to me like very fucking close. I mean, bro, what the flip? Why? I'll be bit. Yeah, okay, cool. This reaction could be a good one. Let's go on the 5 minute. Uh, okay. I'm a bit concerned because I'm like, yo, what the fuck am I meant to do? Because we tapped into here. I'm just like, yo, what am I meant to do here? We're not short in here yet. It would be ideal to get short in here is a bit. Porque aqui 5 minute gap over here. This 5 minute gap. But if we do this, I'm open to take a short. I'll be open to take a short, but let's see, bro, because we might, based off my experience, every time we hit a very interesting. All right, let's see. Let's see how this 15 minute closes. Obviously, we need to add everything. We need to. So 15 minute. In the 15 minute, it's it we create. I don't think this is gonna hold. Personally, yes, we created an SMT, but let's be honest, bro. We've got this high. We got all of these high stacked up. Why would that hold? NQ taken out a very good drawn liquidity, but why would that hold? You know what I'm saying? Look, it's gone a 3 minute. 3 minute, cool. Look, we're getting already legs up. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna risk taking a short here. Taking a short here and taking a long here is like the most. We still haven't. Old Carlos would short this right now. But I'm looking at this and I'm like, yo, why would I take a short if there's a gap over here that just perfectly can continue going higher? You know, like. I can't lie, I'm a bit scared still. I'm a bit scared about it. No, you guys, bro, like. We could see it move higher from here. We tapped into this gap. Sometimes this doesn't mean, like, this doesn't have to, like, be respect. But, cool. Now, if we start to get a good legs up, look. Look, boom. If we get a displacement candle, we're in longs. We'll be this. 5 minute. Looks very good to take. I'll put 5 contracts, but I need at least an inverse of this, because I'll be like, okay. All right, this looks clean. Looks clean, I'll be honest. But I need a displacement candle, man. Come on. I mean, look, guys. I'm just. I like to overanalyze. Like, what are the possibilities of this being a good trade? All right, and taking it all the way from here and putting it all the way here sounds good. Obviously, I'll be very careful if we create like a SMT at these highs, but let's see what we do here. Let's see the 15 minute. 15 minutes still looks good. Alright. I think this is valid. We're taking 4. Let's see a closure. 5. Alright, we're in.
Order filled.
This looks pretty valid to me. We could just get wrecked off of here. But I truly believe that this is like could just be wrong, but whatever. Let's see. We could add one more contract because I wanna risk a bit higher than that.
Order filled.
So like at least 750. Let's see. Are we gonna invest that? If we invest that, I'm cooked. We only got one trade limit, so based on my theses, this should hold and go higher. But I could be wrong. Don't get it twisted. I could be wrong. Let's see, bro. I could be wrong, and I could just disrespect, and yeah, I could get cooked. I could get cooked, but let's see. If we inverse this, I'll be honest, I'll be a bit shook. But this looks nice, looks promising. 5 minute looks promising. 15 minute, let's see. After this high, I will put it at break even. Let's see what ES does as well, because I'm a bit shook. Oh, this is alright. Interesting. Oof. Let's see. Ideally, we should follow through here and get a nice reaction. 4 hour. I'm going to target this high over here. I'm going to target it. Looks like a clean objective to me. If we inverse this, then I'm gassed. If not, then I'll be a bit like... But it looks solid. The idea looks solid. I like, let's see how this closes as well. I know there's news. I like, okay, that was solid. I like that. I like that reaction. I could get cooked here, but the idea is solid. I like this. SMT. I like this, yo. I like this idea. Obviously, I'm gonna put myself at break even here. But I like this idea. Let's see what we've done. Okay, we're taking this out. I'm a bit shook, but that shouldn't be a fucking problem. Like, we still got these highs to go, you know? I could be wrong. Yep. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like, okay. Okay, I don't like that reaction. I don't like that. Okay. I need a big push though. Like, come on. Oh. It's all about probabilities, lads. All about probabilities. Let's be honest. but this is my break-even point. So I'm gonna stay faithful to my analysis and see where this goes. I did like the reaction, so I shouldn't be like shook or anything. We should just keep going higher. Yep, yep. Sometimes I don't like this volume though. What is this volume, man? Like, we need a bit more volume than that. Okay, let's see. All right. I don't think I'm gonna put it yet to break even. Why would you say that? Well, I need displacement candles. Or should I just let's see how much. All right. This is what you call market intuition, all right? Why I've always seen this like always get disrespected. I don't know why. I've just seen this like back tested millions of times. All right, we've taken up this high. We could just break. Ideally, okay. I'm gonna put my stops to here, but ideally we should get that push, that nice push. That's a very good push. I like that. You know what? Let's put a break even. My heart says break even. Let's put a break even. Okay, perfect. I like that push. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right. Let's see. Cool. Ideally, we shouldn't go below here. So I'm putting that. Let's see with ES. What's it saying? ES. I'm gonna be careful with what it does here. But I'm liking this so far. Imagine we get edged. Imagine we get edged, bro. All right. I'm liking that. All right. Let's see. 15 minute. Let's see. I might. Okay. We're up. 571. All right. Let's just put a break even. Don't try. uh, come on. Let's not get. Let's not get. We should just go higher. 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 Come on. Don't edge me. Look at this fucking. You know what? Since it's a, you know, I think we should put it here just in case. Yeah. 750. A 1-to-1. Ideally, that should hold and continue going higher. Let's not be a bitch, man. Ideally, we should bounce up and just go higher off of this. Yep. All right. If we take that higher, higher. Come on, man. Don't do this. Ah, come on, yo. Bro, this is such a good trade, and you're just taking the mic, man. Come on, dog. Come on. I have a feeling this is gonna get stopped out. And I can't get mad because I just can't get mad, innit? Alright, come on, push, bro. Come on, yeah! Oh, go on, go on, go on, lad. Go on, go on, lad. Let's see ES. Did ES take? Nah, man. We're still good, bro. Like low key, like yeah, we could be like a bit cooked, but ideally we should just move up. Come on, man. Don't be so no. Go on, up, 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 up. Don't break even me, please. Don't break even me, please. Like I'm actually gonna like crash out if we break even. I'm gonna crash out if we break even. Low key. Low key, if we fucking break even, I'm going to crash out. But I think what the market's doing is lining up. And then the 10 a.m. candle happens and alright, I like that. Go on. Go on, lad. Let's see. ES isn't doing anything as of now. Oh, come on, mate. Alright, we're holding here. We're holding. This is a pretty textbook setup. I love this set. Ideally, it's just a move up from here. Ideally, we should just keep going up now. Take out that $900. I'm on my eval. That'll be 1.8k in 1 week. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push. The news is in about 2 minutes. I don't even know if I'm sure you're allowed in your eval to like do news trading. Once this objective gets taken, we're definitely trailing our stops to here. At least we're gonna secure that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how much is this. No point. Whatever. That'll be like $300, some shit like that. Okay. I mean, bro, come on. This is hella boring, bro. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, lad. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I could get cooked here, you know, like deep this. Like this could just, or this could just, but at least we'll break even. You know what I mean? All right, cool. We're putting it here. I have a feeling that we're gonna just get. All right, let's just whatever. Who cares? $200. Who cares? We just we just got some move up candle. I don't like this at all. Come on. I have faith. I still got faith, but this doesn't look good, you know? I've seen this plenty of times. But look, we still could hold this and bounce higher. But let's see. Let's see, yo. I could have bagged 750, but let's see. Maybe I feel like a bit like, I should have, but that was my decision, essentially. And I could get, just because of that, I could just get cooked off of that. We did do a higher, we did open higher for free for 10 a.m. I don't like that. It is what it is, bro. We could just go higher, I guess. This is what you call pure discipline, bro. I don't even know why. If we go higher, I'm gonna be gassed. Go on. I knew it. I knew this was just gonna scare me off. I'm not gonna have a big ego after this though. Still can. Okay. All right. Yep. Wow, this is my first time. Imagine this isn't even clipping. I'll be so mad. Low key. Nah, it's still. This is my first time ever doing this shit. Let's see what ES does though. ES, I still believe we're gonna go higher, but let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We could take profit hit, but I do believe we're gonna go there. That 4 hour high looks clean. Wait, there you go. I like to be conservative. All right, if we inverse this, I'll actually cry. If we inverse this, I'll actually cry. If we inverse this, I will cry. If we create this, I'll actually fucking cry, bro. Like, no joke. Don't you dare inverse. Don't you dare inverse. Bro, Price is edging me. Price is edging me. Price is edging me. uh, Go on. Go on, lad. Fucking have it, lad. Go on. I'm still gonna hold. Go on. I ain't not. I ain't gonna. Yep. Let's see, man. It wouldn't make sense for price to go lower. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Low key, I'm like, all right, let's go. If we get that high, then I'm trailing the stops. Because it wouldn't make sense in our price to just go lower. If we go higher than this, we're trailing it to here. We're not trading nothing, bro. Fuck that, man. All right. And that's what you fucking call. Wait, because it could just reverse in here. Did secure $563, so that's what you call. Wait, wait, wait. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
Fuck! I just dropped some more, gang. This fucking stream! And what? We beat the fucking W, man! Let's fucking go! No. Bro. Ah, W's in the fucking chat, Kurt.